Do these pantry moth traps actually work well? These are supposed to be extra strength pheromone attractant, pheromone traps for pantry moths, and these are from MaxGuard. These come with 14 different traps. They attract flower moths, meal moths, seed moths, and grain moths. And I would say they're pretty successful. Yesterday, I came out here to our little pantry room, and there were moths flying around everywhere. And I remembered I still had some of these MaxGuard traps. So I just grabbed them out of the drawer, and they're really, really easy to use and non-toxic, pesticide-free, odorless. And again, all I had to do was peel the sticky part off of the back, and it instantly started attracting the moths. And so now I don't really see any of them flying around in here. Got another trap right here that I set off to the side, and it also attracted a bunch of moths. So got to jump on it quickly before they get out of control because they reproduce super quickly. These things can get into super tight spaces, even containers that are completely sealed. Sometimes they can still slip in. So this is great for just attracting, all those moths into one place so that they can't reproduce. And the glue formula really does trap them on there. Once they land on it, they get stuck. So super useful for ourselves. I love how I can set multiple traps in different places. And I've even used them indoors before in our actual pantry and in our cabinets. So if you're having an issue with moths flying around, you're trying to get rid of them, I think this is going to be a really great solution for you. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.